Hello, let's do a short review for Cardo Bluetooth intercom. So this is the box. On the back we can see some details regarding the distance between two riders that uses the same intercom, of course. The Bluetooth, it's 5.2, so that means the rate of transfer will be very good. It has USB-C charging port, which is also good. Okay, let's see what is in the package. Normal USB cable without a charger, but this is not a problem because you can charge it using your laptop, and I recommend not to use a higher charger than 500 milliamperes. Those are the head unit with the jack connector. They are Velcro, so I will do later a video with installing the new helmet. Those will be installed inside the helmet, and after that you'll connect them like this. Like this. Okay. Those are the Velcro for the mic that will be installed in front of the helmet. And this is the normal mic for full face helmets. There is a second microphone for open helmets. It's nice that they have this clip in order to fix better the connection. And this is the plastic that will fix on the outside of the helmet. And this one is for open helmet because you can clip it, and in order to release this clip you have to click on those two pins, and after that slide up. That's all, because you need this connector if you want to use the other adapter, this one. This one, it has a sticker on it, which will be applied on the helmet. I'll use this one later. And in order to connect the intercom, you just have to click it. Start first with this side, like this. And if you want to disconnect it, you just have to pull this plastic, and after that it will be released. Let's continue with the things that remain in the package. It's showing the app that needs to be installed on your phone in order to connect it, to pair it with it. Let's you can either scan the QR code. Let's see if it works. Yeah, we'll just type it Cardo Connect. Okay, until it's installed. Let's see. I have to sign in. Until I will sign in, I just want to show how you open the intercom. It's also written here. It's shown here. You have to press at the same time those buttons like this. Until this blue LED, it's okay. So I managed to create an user because it's my first time when I'm using Cardo. Okay, it's asking here where you'll use the intercom, so it doesn't matter what you are clicking here. And in order to pair it with your phone, just no, before doing the pairing, let's connect the headphones and the speaker. Okay, it's connected, and in order to connect with your phone, enable the Bluetooth, of course, and click on this button and hold it until you'll hear the message for phone pairing. And now enter the phone and search for Spirit or Spirit HD, depends on what you're having here. Pair. And when the pink LED appears, means that the phone is connected. And as you can see here, it shows you the percentage of the battery, and it's paired.
Car issues? Solved. The Auto Docket. It's a major online marketplace for car parts.
And from here you can lower the volume, change the volume. Seems to be at maximum. The bass is pretty good. Another useful thing, it will be in the app. After you configure your account and set those steps that are needed there, you should update to the newest firmware, because it will fix the bugs, it will unlock new features and so on. So I recommend doing this. That's all.